Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I created a glam look for you guys using the Soft Glam palette out of all of them from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I topped it with a glitter from Stila. So if you guys want to learn how to create this look, let's get into it and let me teach you. To start today, we're going to use the Tatcha Primer, and as always on the back of my hands, and then massaging that in. Next, the Urban Decay Primer. Just blend that in with your finger or with a brush. Next up, I'll use my Dior Forever foundation. That's how much I'll be using. I'm going to fill in my brows off camera. For today's look, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm taking burnt orange into my crease, and this is going to act as our transition shade. Repeat the same thing on the other eye. And now taking that shade into the crease as well. So I like to take like round motions so I can blend it out at the same time, and then also move the shadow up. So we're going to focus the shadow on the outer V. We're also going to be taking this slightly into the crease as well. Taking that shade, we're going to apply it to our lid. With a clean blending brush, we're going to go ahead and blend that out. For my brow bone highlight, I am going to go ahead and use the Anastasia and Emrazy highlighter. And now we're going to top off the eyes with Stila's Kid and Karma. So we're just going to take the wand and apply that to the lid. And I am focusing in the center here. You'll notice I'm just tapping. I'm going to quickly blend that out. Repeat on the other eye. And again, quickly blend it out. Now I'm going back in with Cypress Umber, and I'm going to go ahead and focus that on my outer V again. Now taking some Bioderma and a cotton round, I'm going to clean up my under eyes. To To conceal and highlight, we're going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And just tap it all out. Now I'm going to go in and set my under eyes. If you need to go back in and blend before you do this, do that. Don't forget. I'm also going to set my forehead, my nose, and around the mouth. Basically, I set anywhere where either I get oily or I start creasing. I was taking a little snack break and having some chicken nuggets and I forgot to record. So basically, I'm finishing up the under eye. So whatever's on the top must come down. Right now I've used burnt orange and rustic and I'm just using the same brush. Now going in with Cypress Umber, I'm only going to focus this on the outer edge. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm a little bit obsessed with this. So for mascara, I like to wiggle at the root and then bring it up. And now to go back into the face, I'm going to use this shade from the Dior Backstage palette. With contour, you're going to want to blend upwards always. You want to create the illusion of a lifted and sculpted shape. And then bring it down underneath the jawline, and then also the temple. As always, I'm here to teach you guys tricks, so you're going to go ahead and take a powdered foundation, apply that to a brush, and then we're going to sculpt this out. You're going to want to kind of blend it downwards. And now just blend that away. Now to finish off the contouring process, I am going to go ahead and sculpt out my nose with a smaller brush. So closer in, you're going to get the illusion of a much smaller nose. However, if you're going further out, you're going to give the illusion of a more wide nose. So I'm just going to go in with bronzer today. I'm not going to use any blush. This is how obsessed I am with MAC Soar lip liner. I do have a backup, but I keep that in my purse and I keep the little one on hand at home. So I am going to line my lip, and as usual, I do go ahead and apply the lip liner to my entire lip. For lipstick, I'm using MAC's Twig. I'm going to go and apply my lashes off camera. I'm using the Lily Lashes in Sephora Collection in Rome. And now to set and forget, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is like one of my absolute staples. I have this in my kit and have had it in my kit for the last 7 years. And again, I look a fool when I'm doing this, so ignore me. And for highlight, the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. Misting my brush as usual, not too much though. And then just above the brow bone, going in with a smaller brush, we are going to hit the inner corners, bridge of my nose, and then take your finger and just blend that out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for new videos every Monday at noon.